Hey, what's up Tryharder people? Me? I'm just chilling eating one of my super secret protein bar. Oh, you wanna know the recipe? Alright, I'll show you. But first, let me finish this, okay? Here's the ingredients you need to prepare these amazing homemade protein bars in less than 10 minutes and with no baking. First, any kind of cereal. I use Spelt cause I like crunchy bars, but you can go with oats or puffed rice if you're ready to get them soft. Then, about 25 grams of coconut powder, 20 grams of shredded almonds, about 40 grams of honey or any liquid natural sweetener you like, 100 grams of drinkable egg whites, and lastly 70 grams of your favorite protein powder. In this case I use chocolate flavor as it pairs very well with the coconut powder in my opinion. Now to start, put all the solid ingredients except the coconut powder into a big bowl. So the spelt, the protein powder and the almonds. Mix it a little bit, then proceed to add the honey and the egg whites to the bowl and start to work your ingredients with a spoon or a spatula for about a minute. Then you can add the coconut powder and start to use your hands to roll and press the dough until you'll be able to form an homogeneous bowl. Now you can shape it into whatever you like. You could do some little crunchy protein balls, for example, but in this case we shape it into some protein bars. To have an easy time doing that, help yourself with a couple pieces of baking paper just as I did. Place your mixture between the foils and press it down with your hands till you get the thickness you like. Once you're satisfied about the shape, it's time to let it rest in the fridge for about a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
Last thing left to do is to take them out, cut in how many bars you want and finally enjoy your delicious post-workout meal. As always, you can find the macros in the description box. If you don't care at all about crunchiness, you can take out the almonds from the ingredients to cut the fats. But as I love crunchy bars, this is definitely not worth it for me. Do you like them? If so, don't forget to share and like this video to help me out. Healthy eaters, I'll catch you in the next episode. Buon appetito!